So hi guys, I'm at Legoland. Look at this, without Legos. Just like Legos.
คนเดินแบบคนคิดแบบ
Yeah.
เจอเลย
In the next room, look at the Legos. The leaf, no, it's not. The Lego mini road you can see. I think it's like an airport. No, there was an airport. Oh, this is the mega Lego town. Look at those trees. Second or third time in a 4D cinema with the glasses. The last time I've been there, it was like me and my cousin Prosper. When remember him when we review his house. We kind of like when we watch a 4D movie with him at Aquaman, and it was scary. It was like we were so scared that we took off these glasses. It was very we didn't like it. It was too scary. So I'm just gonna watch, I guess, the movie and then review the next part of Legoland. See you guys.